Hey guys, welcome to MindPal. In this video, I will reintroduce the Canvas feature, which we call the Workspace for the AI agent. To activate the Canvas feature on MindPal, you just go to the agent, navigate to the integration section, and select the Text Canvas tool here. This feature works similarly to the Canvas feature on ChatGPT, but now you can attach it directly to your agent and use it. You can also configure the canvas's behavior. So, why is this feature useful and how do you use it? We've observed over the last few months that agents perform best when they have a dedicated workspace to execute tasks, rather than just through back and forth chatting. The Canvas provides exactly that kind of workspace, allowing the agent to perform tasks optimally for you. Let me show you an example. Let's use this agent. I will ask it to write a blog post about application variations in the e-commerce industry. You'll see that instead of returning the answer directly, it will open a canvas and write the response for you on the side here. Since this canvas is a text editor, you're free to make any edits you need to the content. If you want to make edits within this canvas, you simply start with an action here. For example, I might want to include MindPal. When I ask it to use MindPal.io as an example, it will rewrite the content with the updated information. Okay, that's the blog post example. Canvas is also useful when you need multiple canvases. Each agent can simultaneously spin up many canvases for you. For example, I have this LinkedIn post generator here. I will assign the Canvas tool to this agent. I can also start a new chat and ask it to, for instance, create 10 different LinkedIn posts about MindPal. So in this example, I'm asking the agent to spin up 10 different canvases to write 10 LinkedIn posts. It does this step by step, spinning up each canvas and writing the content I need into it. So give the Canvas feature a try and see how it can enhance your agent's productivity.